Hey there, and welcome to today's midday miracle message. Now, the focus for today, for this message, is all around making sure that you've got a coach. And I'm not just talking about a normal coach. The challenge is now, especially with this crazy lockdown message, with this whole lockdown chapter that people are going through, everyone's showing up and being a coach. Everyone's showing up to give advice. Here's the thing, would you go and take advice to get rich from a poor person? Would you go and take advice from someone who gets ill a lot around health and immunity? Would you go and take advice from somebody who hasn't already achieved, like relationship advice? You might have a family member or a friend who's in a toxic relationship themselves and they're trying to give you advice on what to do. So what we need is a world-class coach. That was the difference. Like when I broke my back, got told I was never going to walk again. The world-class coach that I brought in then, he was 2 times world champion. To give you an idea now, I've literally just got off a call with one of my mentors, and he actually charges, if you go and book him, he'll charge you $15K for a session. And this guy it just shows me in an area of my life that he's mastered, that I'm mastering. It can save me time, it saves me energy, it saves me the failing, because he can say, don't do that, I tried that and it got these results. And I was like, yeah, but surely your industry is different than mine, and you can just see the road ahead. What a world-class coach allows you to do is it can see things about you that you can't see. So if you've ever had coaching just put below, yes, I've had coaching. If you've ever had coaching, just type it in the chat, let me know. Have you ever had good coaching in your life? If you have, type it in the chat. Also, have you ever had bad coaching? Where someone's gone and given you advice and you've gone and done exactly what they've said, but you haven't achieved the result and you've gone the distance with them. Because sometimes when you're in the middle of the game, you might still be getting not the results that you want to get. But it happens like that in life, where all of a sudden it's like, say you want a result within your body, with its shape or with energy or immunity or with money, where you want to make sure that you've got money flowing through to you, doing things. So here you go. You guys are going, yes, I've had both. So no to both. This is really, really interesting. So Alex, he says, no, I've not had either. This is my experience that for me to go and put myself out there on the front line, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to do things that you think are going to enhance people's lives, but people may not be ready for it. The action steps may not be clear for people to go and take. Whereas what a world-class coach is going to do is going to say, right, here's your next step, here's your next step, here's your next step. But the brain might be saying, but I'm not getting the result, I'm not getting the result, I'm not getting the result, I'm not getting the result. That feeling of being impatient comes from ignorance. It's that simple. If you've got a world-class coach coaching you and they're saying, that's fine, you're exactly where you're meant to be, from where you was to where you are now, you're leaps ahead. But now from where you're at now, we're now going to build a new bridge from here to where you want to go. And you're on that journey and you can see that you're on your journey. You can see that things are improving, and then suddenly the penny starts to drop. Suddenly things start to make sense. Suddenly there's a new level of awareness, and what you've done is you've either overridden a limiting belief, you've trusted a coach, and then all of a sudden you end up where you want to be and you're like, I'm here. Oh my God, I literally just climbed the mountain. Now, in life, there are many mountains to climb. And I'm not just talking about physical mountains. There's money mountains, spiritual mountains, relationship mountains, your own body mountains, your mind mountains. There are all these mountains that as we start to climb, guess what you discover? More of your greatness. The only reason why you're on this planet, listen to me. There aren't many people who say this. The only reason why you're here on this planet is so that life can expand through you. That's it. And how's life going to expand through you? Well, the more of your greatness that you get to discover, the more you're going to start to break through limiting beliefs. You're going to start to break through limiting patterns. This is why having a world-class coach is essential. Like, give me an example. Like we've got Breakthrough Mastery coming up online. When's it coming up? December 4, 5 and 6. And this event, actually, Breakthrough Mastery. Now, without the 3 days that have been designed, it's like I put people into like an incubator. Now, how do we help them grow? First of all, they trust me as a coach. 2, they trust me as a facilitator. 3, they're trusting the process. Now, what's missing for a lot of people in today's world is trust. They're not trusting themselves. They're not trusting stuff that's coming in. And what's happening is they're going rejecting. This is why we need to get an immersion with a coach. Now, if you go and get that immersion, what's that coach going to do? That coach is going to take you outside of your comfort zone. Why is that coach going to take you outside of your comfort zone? Because you can't grow in your comfort zone. It's impossible for you to get the results that you want to get in life in your comfort zone. It's impossible. So you need to be able to step outside of your comfort zone, but to still trust. To step outside of your comfort zone to discover more parts of yourself. To step outside of your comfort zone, because here's what I truly believe. Life begins outside of your comfort zone. All of it. You want to build a great body? You're not going to do it in a comfortable way. There's got to be some pressure put on. You want to create a diamond? It's going to take pressure. If you want to create great income streams, there's going to be some type of pressure that's going to be outside of what a normal, comfortable life is. But it's not where you need to go into fear. You don't need to go into worry, panic, anxiety, frustration, anger, a lot of disconnection, loneliness. All of those are patterns that a lot of people have got running, and it's because of this one simple thing. They're not connecting to the truth. There is so much greatness within you. There is so much love and passion and energy and immunity and strength and wisdom. But the challenge is, if you don't go and access it, like everything else in life, use it or lose it. And the last thing you want to do is lose yourself. You do not want to lose yourself in this crazy game of life. With what's going on at the moment, now's your time to find that coach. Now's your time to find that mentor. And one thing that I've done is we got asked by lots of people to say, Skip, can you form a club? I was like, what do you mean? Like, one of the things that I've been doing, and I've done it for 9 months now, I can't believe it. 9 months I've been giving away Supercharge Yoga every single morning, 7:30 a.m. UK time. We go live here. If you want to supercharge up your body, come and join us for free, totally for free. And we've done it for 9 months. And it was just my gift to people, because I knew that their movement was going to go down. I knew their energy was going to go down. I knew their immunity was going to go down. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go out there and give. And it was a beautiful experience of waking up every single day, even when the mind goes, you don't want to wake up. What do you want to wake up for? Just, they're not paying you. They don't, you don't have to go and do this every single morning, because there were some nights when I went to bed super, super late, literally waking up after a few hours sleep, still going out there to serve. But here's the beautiful thing that happened. It was almost like that 9 months was giving birth to a new baby. And that new baby is this club. That's what this new baby is. And what are we doing in this club? It's called Club Supercharge. If you want some information on it, click the link that's up there. Go through the page. If you want to get a no-brainer offer, it works out. I think the offer can work out at like 50p a day if you take the yearly subscription. We're going to give you 2 months for free. If you book it now, you get the early bird. So we're going to give you the next month for free as well. So it's a total no-brainer. If you want to be in a club with other people, come and join Club Supercharge. Anyway, guys, I do hope that you understand. You've got to have not just a coach, has to be a world-class coach. It's got to be someone who's taken the hits, they've been knocked down, they bounced back, they've been in the truth. It's not a gimmick what they're selling. What they're selling is real stuff that's going to empower you. Because without having that consistent coach, there's no way that you can consistently achieve greatness. Having a coach, having yourself being monitored consistently, as you derail, bam, they bring you back. And just like one of my clients today, who I was actually on a call with, and he said, Skip, if we didn't have this session, I was about to go down this road, and this road I would have self-sabotaged myself, because all this stuff was coming up. Because this session, out of all the sessions we've had, it's probably the most powerful session ever. Now, this is a public figure who, people know this guy, and I was like saying, look, will you film a video around this? It's like 100% I will, because without having this level of coaching, I can't go and do what I need to do. And what you're sharing with me is life-giving stuff. And that's all I want to be sharing with you guys too, is life-giving stuff. And so one of those advices is to make sure that you're connected with a world-class coach who can give you stuff so that your body is always going to thrive, your mind is always going to thrive, that your finances are going to thrive, your passion in life is going to thrive, your relationships are going to thrive. You've got to have it all, my friends. Remember, everything in life is connected. And that means that there is a part of you that's connected to everything. And when you connect to everything, all you want to be involved with is life-giving stuff. And one thing that humanity needs at the moment is more life-giving stuff. So I hope that there was some life-giving stuff in today's Midday Miracle message. If there is, please do like it, give it some thumbs up, give it some love hearts. Please do share it as well. Comment below how having a world-class coach has enhanced the quality of your life. Please do comment below. Let me know how it's enhanced the quality of your life, because give you an idea, if I didn't find that, if I didn't get coached by Svetlor, 2-time world champion, I don't think I'd be here doing what I'm doing with you guys now, because I wouldn't have known what was possible physically. I just, to be told that you're never going to walk again, and then to be stood on the podium being given the gold medal for the English Sports Acrobatics Championships, you're going from one world into another. And that's what I now specialize is taking people from one world into a better world. So I really do. I hope that you got some value from today. Come and join us tomorrow. It's free, 7:30 a.m. We're going to be there live, giving your body a beautiful gift. If you want to be a part of the club, as I said, click that link that's up there. Come through to the page. Have a look on the page. Just get yourself registered. It's something like 50p a day. And when you see what's on that page, you're going to be like, Skip, why are you giving away so much stuff? Because people need it. That's why I'm giving this stuff away. So I do hope this has served you. Live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. For now, I'm out of here.